All right, here's some basic directions on how to use the workflow. Okay, so you can go to, for instance, here, Unit 1, Intro to the Human Body. This document is called the workflow document, and it's pink and blue. I'm going to maximize that so we can see a little bit better. You'll see there are several columns: textbook topic, book figures to focus on, flashcard vocabulary, Canvas videos, practice activities, Canvas practice quizzes, and the mastery check, otherwise known as paper quizzes. So the sequence is you need to know what you're reading in the textbook, what the topic is, and read that assigned section in OneNote. Okay? So, for example, here's the topic for regional terms 1.6. And that's what you're going to read in the textbook. Where's the textbook? It's in OneNote. Intro to Human Body. Okay, and you're going to scooch down. You're going to find section 1.6. All the sections are labeled. So, for example, here's 1.5, homeostasis. You can come down here to 1.6, anatomical terminology. Now, it's a very, very large section. So I've broken it down to 1.6 A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, so let's go back to the workflow. So in the workflow, I need you guys to know the regional terms and pay attention to figure 1.12, the regions of the human body. So in the directions, that would be number 3 right there. Pay attention to the figures I've listed as well as follow special directions. Okay, so let's go to figure 1.12 in the textbook. All right, there's figure 1.12, regions of the human body. This is the figure that you need to pay really close attention to. Okay, and make flashcards on these terms. The next step is make flashcards or a Quizlet to get the vocabulary down, watch the corresponding video in Canvas, and supplement your reading notes. Okay, so you're going to use this diagram to learn these terms and use the videos in Canvas to supplement your notes. It's in Canvas module for Unit 1, and you're going to watch video 1.6a. Then there are practice activities in OneNote. 1.6a, body regions diagram. All right, so go back to OneNote over here, practice 1.6a, body regions diagram. It's a blank diagram. It's identical to the one in the textbook. Go ahead and fill it out using your stylus, or you can double click on that icon and print it out. Next on the workflow, so we did practice handouts, complete the Canvas practice quizzes as many times as you want, and then take the paper quizzes. All right, practice quizzes. There's a practice quiz for 1.6a, and here are the paper quizzes that must be done in person. Okay, practice Canvas quizzes. All right, let's take a quick look over in Canvas. All right, go to modules and go to Unit 1. Here are all the videos and the practice quizzes. You can take the practice quizzes as many times as you want. Gives you feedback right away.